Hello family, today we are going to take a look at a community that offers ranch style homes. So if you're interested in all brick, yes, all brick, all four sides, ranch style homes right here in the Charlotte area, stick around. I'm Sir Ashley and we are going to be talking about the community called Sonata at Mint Hill and it's by Mattamy Homes. But before we dive into this community and look at the model, please do me a quick favor and tap on that like button. It helps me out a ton because it allows YouTube to show this content to more like-minded people. So lately, multiple people have been reaching out about ranch style homes. And I'm talking about people from all ages, from upper 20s to 70 years old. You all have been wanting or interested in ranch style homes. And I hear you. So this video and the next video I put out will both be ranch style floor plans. And if you want to see additional ranch style floor plans, I recently put out a video talking about or giving a sneak peek at the Pinnacle at Northreach. Go ahead and check this video out right here. But some details about this community right here, Sonata at Mint Hill, is that it's conveniently located right off of 45 at exit 44, and it's directly across from Veteran Memorials Park in Mint Hill. All of the homes are ranch styles. Yes, like I said, they are all brick, and you have an option to add a second story. And the floor plans come with 2-car garages, but you have an option to add a 3rd-car garage. Floor plans in this community range anywhere from 1,600 square feet to 3,000 square feet. Now for the amenities for this particular community is that it is conveniently located and it has a huge clubhouse, or it will have a clubhouse. It's not completed yet. It will have a saltwater pool, 2 lap lanes, a catering kitchen inside the clubhouse, along with an outdoor catering kitchen and a fireplace with a pickleball court, bocce ball court, horseshoes, and a large flex room with TVs. Now, as I was listing off those amenities, I'm sure some of you thought, bocce ball, pickleball, this has to be a 55 and over community. But it is not an age restricted community. Anybody and everybody can live in this community and take advantage of these ranch style floor plans. So with all that said, come with me and let's take a look at the Presley floor plan. Now I'll also be putting out a video later today with the Armstrong floor plan. I like both of them. If you like more of the outdoor living, please check out the Armstrong floor plan. This Presley floor plan gives you more space inside the home. Let's go check it out. All right, here we are in front of the Presley model. This is at Sonoma at Mint Hill by Mattamy Homes. This model is a 3-bedroom, 3.5 bath, just under 2,700 square feet. Let's go inside and take a look. Now when you come in, you have this flex room or office space right here. Now I've seen people convert this flex room into a bedroom, but that's not the case for this model. This model has a dedicated 3 official bedrooms with that flex room. This is your open kitchen and living area with a gigantic island, built-in microwave and oven. Large pantry. You have the laundry room on the first floor. Again, this is a ranch with an optional 2nd story. Now, all the models for this community that we're going to tour will have that optional 2nd story, but traditionally you do not have to have that added. This is bedroom number 1. Huge living space down here to just entertain people at that large island. Perfect for having family gatherings. And then you have the sunroom right here, as well as a deck right off of it. Little things you'll notice is that the deck back here is covered by brick. This is a 4 sides brick ranch. Now, I have a handful of people who've reached out to me in the past, I would say 4 months, looking for all brick homes. Now, that is very rare here in Charlotte, but this community, Sonoma at Mint Hill, offers all their homes 4 sides brick, and they all are ranches. And for all of them, you can opt to have that second half story. Take a look inside the owner suite. You have a large dual vanity. Now, it's not uncommon to see dual vanities in a owner suite, but you'll see just how large this dual vanity sink is. Want to look at the downstairs real quick before we head upstairs. The upstairs has its own living quarters. You have its own loft area, seating area, as well as a very good sized bedroom and its own private bathroom. So it is perfect for guests to come over because they have their space and you will have your space, and there's a clear separation between the two. Now, this configuration of the Presley floor plan does come in right around 500,000, a little less or a little more depending on your options. But this is an addition. You do not have to have that second story. And if you don't get that second story, we're talking about $70,000 to $80,000 less. And where you'll still have 2 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, as well as a flex room that you could convert into a 3rd bedroom. If you're interested in this model or in this community or even in ranch style floor plans, please reach out to my team and I. We would love to help. Our contact information is on the screen. I'm Sir Ashley. Talk soon.
Sweet concussion.